Hello and welcome to Next Level ESL. Greetings and introductions. Hi, how's it going? This is a casual way to say hello and ask how someone is doing. What's up? This is an informal way to ask what someone is doing or how they're feeling. How are you today? This is a more formal greeting. Nice to meet you. This is a polite way to introduce yourself to someone new. This is Charlton. This is used when introducing someone to another person. How's everything? This is a casual way of asking how things are going in someone's life. Asking for help. Can you help me with this? This is a simple way to ask for assistance. I need a hand. This is a casual way to ask for help. Could you do me a favor? This is a way to ask for a small favor. Would you mind helping me? This is a polite way to ask for help. Can I ask you a quick question? This is a polite way to ask for information. Do you have a moment? This is when you ask if someone has time to talk or help you. How to make requests. Could you please pass me that? This is how to ask for something politely. I'd like to order some food, please. Or, I'd like to order something to drink, please. This is a polite way to order in a restaurant. Can I get the check, please? This is how to ask for the bill at a restaurant. Do you mind if I sit here? Do you mind if I open the window? This is a polite way to ask if something is okay. Please let me know if you need anything. This is how to offer help or small talk and conversation starters. So, what do you do for a living? This is a common question when meeting someone. So, where are you from? This is asking about someone's origin. What kind of music do you like? This is a good question to keep the conversation going. Have you seen any good movies lately? This is a great conversation starter. How was your weekend? This is a typical small talk question to ask after the weekend. So what's your favorite food? This is a simple and effective way to get to know someone. Expressing gratitude and politeness. Thank you so much. This is a polite way to express gratitude. I really appreciate it. This is used to show deeper gratitude. Thanks a lot. This is a casual way to say thank you. You're welcome. This is a polite response to thank you. No problem. This is a casual response to thank you. It was my pleasure. This is a formal way of saying you are happy to help. Expressing agreement or disagreement. I agree with you. This is saying that you share the same opinion or feel the same way about something. That's true. This is agreeing with something someone has said. I see your point. This is acknowledging someone's argument or opinion. I don't think so. This is a polite way to disagree with what someone has said. That's not right. This is a stronger disagreement. I'm not sure about that. This expresses uncertainty. Asking for clarification. Could you repeat that, please? This is how to ask someone to say something again. What do you mean by that? This is how to ask for further explanation. Sorry, I didn't catch that. This is a polite way to ask for repetition. Can you explain it again? This is how to ask for a clearer explanation. I'm not sure I understand. This is how to express confusion in a polite way. Could you give me an example? This is how to ask for an example to better understand. Expressing preferences. I prefer coffee over tea. This is how to talk about your preferences. I'd rather stay home tonight. This is how to express what you'd prefer to do. I'm not a fan of shopping. This is a casual way to say that you don't like something. I really enjoy hiking. Or, I really enjoy reading. This is how to talk about your hobbies or interests. I like it a lot. This is how to express that you enjoy doing something. I don't like it much. This is how to express a mild dislike. Giving compliments. You look great today. This is how to compliment someone's appearance. That's a nice shirt. This is how to compliment someone's clothing. You did a great job. This is how to compliment someone's work or effort. I love your hair. Or, I love those shoes. This is how to give a personal compliment. Wow, you're so talented. This is how to compliment someone's skills. This food is amazing. This is how you compliment someone's cooking. Saying goodbye. See you later. This is a casual way to say goodbye. Take care. This is a friendly way to say goodbye. I'll catch you later. This is an informal way to say goodbye. Have a good day. This is a polite and friendly farewell. Talk to you soon. This is a casual way to say goodbye to someone you will speak to again. Goodbye for now. This is a friendly but final sounding farewell. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more English learning content. Bye-bye.